Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has demanded transparency and clarifications on steps being taken up by government to resettle internally displaced persons to their homes. Speaking in this regard at the protest site by IDPs at Lamboy Khonglangkhong today, Convenor of Cocomi, Kuraijam Athauba, highlighted the plights and uncertainty faced by displaced families and challenged administrative officers who are engaged in resettlement initiative to spend the night at relief camp in order to get some idea about the problems faced by internally displaced persons. While urging government to fulfill its assurance to resettle IDPs by December, Kuraijam Athauba asserted that IDPs will continue with their protests until they are resettled at their homes.
IDP resettlement tawnanabagi process ta achobu thodang lawriba lamdam asigi administration gi responsible officer sing amadi tongan ba leader sing na IDP sing na leliba punchi mahing asi nomotong isu lelaga moina thenariba awana kudong cha do mayam punchi mahing sing ase masi nomotang khang taragadi soidana mokoina chahi ani makai hena lelalaga tamiba mioi sing asi da masi tawhaibra tawhaidabra base khangmangam gani haibagi madugi sense adu pinanaba madugi sense adu lawnana bai damukta relief camp da hingle bai thaba si chathajarpani phawal chaw ikhai amadi torbung mamang lekai haiba mafam asi chatana karang social media da torbung gi koi kunsing hanjan ba hore haidana kolaki ba podadu ground gi assessment ma koi torusi hadana koi gi tim changjan jarubani ayamba mongjanna bagi preparation tawdana security arrangement sing hadana koi tawba horubagi mami dum tare tawdubu khara makai koi changjan gadaba jaga khara da security gi rearrangement amadi relocate tawgadaba area khara su leibana maram oiraga haiba mafam adugi chap chapa geographical map amadi area landmark na chingba sing lawra kan dai koi puraga lakchare hairibam coaching ase koi ngasi su hojin nungjen pung ahum tab matamda security advisor gi dai koi mifam pham nanabagi koi program lei